Hello, today I will show you how to get free crypto money. It is very easy to register. You write your email and password. Site link in the description. The site gives us awards every 40 minutes. All we have to do is wait for the time to finish and press get rewards. Ad block must be disabled to use the site. Site link in the description. We can win in the PTC ads part of the site. What we have to do is just wait for the time to pass. The site is very up to date. New tasks are coming every day. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. New videos will be available for every 50 subscribers. You can earn in the short link part of the site. Again, what we have to do is just click the link and wait for the time. You can earn extra points from the achievements section as you do the tasks. After level After level 20, part of a free walls opens. And chat opens after level 10. It is very easy to level up. I became level 20 in one day. You can invite your friends from the referrals section and win together. You will receive a bonus if you register with my referral link. And you can withdraw your points with the crypto money you want, as you see, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Zcash and other. The site is secure and pays all payments. I got my trustlet wallet with Zcash and it paid for 10 minutes. The site gives us items randomly. For example, this item gave me 90 experience and I leveled up. As you level up, you can get rewards from achievements. That's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.